Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Twitter bookmarks. So let's get started. Begin by opening your X application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now select Bookmarks option. Select the post that you want to remove from bookmark. Then tap on the share icon. And then tap on delete bookmark option. And this is how you can remove Twitter bookmarks. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.